Welcome back to Grandson's favorite recipes. Today we will see how idlis are made with ragi. Ragi is a very nutritious millet. Take ragi 3/4 cup, idli rice half cup, split bagram 1/4 cup, fenugreek seeds half teaspoon. Wash very well with water a number of times. Soak in water for 8 hours. Strain the mixture now. Grind in batches. Initially grind without adding water and later add water little by little. Just become a smooth paste. Grind the remaining mixture in batches. Meanwhile, soak 1/4 cup of thick flattened rice poha for 30 minutes. Add this to this mixture without water. Grind to a smooth paste and add to the mixture. Add salt as required. Mix well. Rinse the mixture with water and add the rinsed water to get correct consistency. Continue to mix till the bubbles appear. The arrows show the appearance of the bubble. The batter has become light and fluffy. Keep for fermentation for 10 hours. You can see the level has risen compared to the original batter. The batter has fermented very well. Mix gently. Pour some batter into a bowl. Heat water in a steamer. Apply oil on the mold. Pour the batter, 1 ladle each. Place in the steam cooker and steam cook at medium heat for 10 minutes. Remove heat and keep close for 2 more minutes. Take out. With a wet spoon, remove the idlis. How smooth it has come. Very beautiful. Serve hot with sambar or chutney. Everybody will love this Ragi Idli is a tasty and nutritious snack for breakfast. See how fluffy it is. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel and encourage me for uploading more recipes. Thank you very much.